Hi, I'm Dr. Michael from LIVV Natural, and I'm here to show you how to reconstitute your peptides that you just purchased. This is how your peptides will be delivered to you in this package right here. This is the bacteriostatic water with 2.2 milliliters in each syringe, and this is what you will be using to reconstitute your peptide. So first we're going to take the bacteriostatic water, take the red top off, grab your 18 gauge needle, and we're going to screw this on. Next, we're going to pop off the top of your peptide bottle. Take one of your alcohol prep pads and sanitize the top. Take your bacteriostatic water and inject through the top of your peptide bottle until all of it goes in. Now that your peptide bottle has the bacteriostatic water, it is ready to inject. With your insulin needle right here, we're going to draw up the desired dosage based off the peptide bottle you received. So this is your peptide dosage in the syringe. The most common place to inject is the abdomen, sub-Q into the belly fat. So I'll show you how to do that today. You're going to take your alcohol swab. You're going to swab a section of your abdomen. You're going to slightly pinch and then inject. Once mixed with the bacteriostatic water, your peptide should be stored in the refrigerator to make sure that it lasts as long as possible.